Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zien, I'm your host P Fire, aka P equals MC squared, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. You already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go around the camera, come and shot, and we're gonna do it like we're doing it for the movies. Let's do it. I'm back, I'm back in shot, I'm back. Oh, I'm back. Let me give you the 12 RJ, guys. Let me give you the RJ to the 12. You already know how we're doing it. Let me just show you what's going on here. Let me reverse. I ain't backing it up. Pause. Let me go forward. Guys, let me just give you. So, my beautiful people, let's get into it. Today, we have this CP company duffel coat with spell out, watch viewer, and goggles. As you can see, let's get into it, you my beautiful people. Let's get into it. Okay, you see my waist right there. There's my waist. As you can see, this comes quite further down from my waist. There's my waist. There it comes down to. As you can see, very, very nice. All right, guys, let's get into it. So we're gonna start at the cuffages, and we're gonna get into it like we're doing it. So left hand side, right hand side. As you can see, for the cuffages, you can put your secondary hand in there, you're good to go. You do the same on the other side, and once again, you're doing the cultural dances if you're from Russia, Uzbekistan, or that part of the world. Anywho, guys, lovely. As you can see, lovely bit of not ribbed, a nice little cuffage there, demarcation right there by the stitching. And as you can see, equilibrium is not a beautiful thing, because on your left hand side, you have this resplendent, look at that, a proper watch viewer right there. You see the plastic still on, CP company. You might be able to see my reflection right there, you know what I mean? Boom, super nice, you know what I mean? And in case you're wondering, in case you ever knew, whenever you got a watch viewer, you've got a place to put the watch. So you open it up right there. As you can see, it's fastened by this button, as you can see, boom, and then you will put your watch in there, and then boom, you're good. So you can see it through your jacket if you were doing the, you know, the race, or, you know, one of your explorations through the desert or whatever. If you were going through the desert, you wouldn't be wearing this, but you get what I'm saying. All right, guys, so what else can we do? Let's zip up, and we're going to take it from there. Okay, so we're going to zip up right here, and we're zipping up with these very, very nice zippers, I think. Okay, so we've got these nice zippers right here. They're YKK zippers. Of course, as you can see, it's a double zip, so you can go up, you can go down, you can go in between, you can go around. All right, double zip, and then you have un, deux, trois, quatre. 4 buttons, as you can see right there. Let me button one up just so you can see what's going on. And they're big CP buttons. Look at that button right there, huge, you know what I mean? Very duffel like your Paddington Bear duffel that you had when you was a kid. Super, super nice, resplendent. Of course, on the old zip strip, button strip cover, you've got this kind of I don't know if it's a cotton kind of sorry, I can't speak, a cotton kind of meshy kind of material. It's slightly different, very smooth, but very nice, and that just covers and goes down the old zip strip right there. Of course, on the old zip, you have your trusty CP company pull, zip pull in that taffeta, as always, and you can see the spell out right there, CP company. Okay, now this coat is perfect for this weather. It's windy, it's wintry, you know, you never know what's going to happen. Ideally, it's not going to rain, because if it rains, you don't really want this sort of heavy wool like fabric in the rain, because that's no good. But you know how that goes. All right, guys, left hand side, right hand side. Equilibrium says a beautiful thing. You have these wonderful pockets right here. Let me just show you these pockets, these envelope pockets. Can you see that? Wonderful. You got a rivet there, a rivet there, and a rivet there. 3 rivets to fasten it down. Look at that. It's like a proper satchel pocket. Do you know what I mean? Really full, nice envelope lid right there. You put your hands in, and let me tell you something. You're walking down the street with your hands in your skyrocket, and they're the perfect location. I say perfect, almost perfect location for your pocket, for your hands in your skyrocket. You can put a whirl of things in here. In here I'm going to put my apartment. In here I'm going to put my flat. So when I'm in England, I'm going to pull out the flat. When I'm in America or somewhere else, I'm going to pull out the apartment. But either way, I've got space for both of them. I'm also going to put in my accoutrements, as you see, little spare buttons, as they always come with any of the Stone Island or CP Company products. Voila, voila, et voila. Okay, put that back in, and as you can see, the pocket's got that grey undertones right there. Very nice CP Company spell out and brandished on the old buttonage right there. Do bear with me, the camera's going left, right and centre because it's windy as hell, but we're gonna get there. Anyway, okay, so where are we getting to? Left hand side, right hand side. As you can see, guys, equilibrium is not a beautiful thing. You have that beautiful pocket there, but you don't have one there. Let's go into the pocket, one rivet only. Put your hand in, you're gonna put your dog and bone in there, not too much, few bars of gold, but nothing too crazy. As you can see, a little pleat split right there on the old pocketage. Very, very nice touch. Okay, guys. Let's go up to the hood, and you know, as we do in nice bit of kit, that what do we love? We love a cheeky little hood. There you go guys, look at that, super nice. As you can see, tappity tap tap tap, you're gonna be good. But if it starts pissing, you're gonna be in a really soggy outer layer, and God forbid that is what you want. But as you can see, look, it covers your head. It's very, very nice. You've got the goggles, leg goggles, pull the goggles down, pull the goggles up. You see what's going on? Am I Batman? I'm not Batman, I'm Colt Man. But yeah, anyway guys, excitable. There you see. So boom, very, very nice, very nice. Of course, these fasten back up like so. Do, and then boom, super nice. Give you the large way so you can see the hood from the back. Pause. Very, very nice. Of course, you've got these nice little collar bits. Let me just take this down. You've got these nice little collar bits which allow you, so if you want to take the hood off, as you can see, boom, taking the hood off, now you've got a nice sort of fold down collar jacket. And look at that nice kind of soft material I was talking about in the zip strip right there. It's the same. So I'll just give you that little collar change so you can see. Very, very nice. It's just a really nice piece, guys, and let me just show you up close. You see the hood there with the goggles, removable. You could wear this in a rave, do you know what I mean? Just this on its own, you'd probably be sweating your tits off, but you know, that might not just be from this, it might be from any other substances you've been taking. But anywho, so yeah, really, really nice piece, guys. I picked this up from the outlet, you know which outlet, the one in Hackney. I saw it in the corner, I think it was just there stuffed in the corner. I picked it up, I was like, yes, I've been waiting for one of these. Great price once again. I mean, yeah, I won't even tell you the price, you might cry, but it was a great price, I'm not gonna lie. And yeah, okay. So let me just show you the remainder, and then yeah, we're good to go. So here's the innards, the guts. As you can see, it's a very beautiful jacket inside. Look at the guts, look at the demarcations, different colorations. Of course, you see that CP Company right there. Very, very nice. This is kind of like a, again, it's cotton, I don't know how you would call it, but yeah, as you can see right there, La Milli jacket. Demarked right there, CP Company logo, nice cheeky little pocket right there, with your care instructions in there. You got some little tapering functionality right there, aka this pull string. Of course, right there you see what it says, CP Duffel. Gotta love a label that demarks and tells you what's what. CP Duffel right there. Italian woven precise replica of archival CP Duffel coat cloth. Love that. So it's a replica, a faithful replica of the old bits. Love when they do that. Of course, guys, let me show you that. Look at that. What a touch, eh? Look at that. CP Company on the back, looking real resplendent, letting you know if the goggles wasn't enough and the watch viewer wasn't enough, give them the spell out. Do you know what I mean? Super, super dope. Really nice. Let me pull up the arms so you can see. For extra warmth, you've got that sort of plasticized material, do you know what I mean? Really nylon, I'd say nylon, not plasticized, nylon material just in the arms, just to give that extra warmth. You see, it's not just about, oh, it's a coat, it's you know, there's layers to this. There's proper things that they've done with it. Do you know what I mean? The technology is there for a reason. You know, I know that we spend a lot of money on these pieces, but if you look closely, the craftsmanship really is there. You know what I mean? It really, really is there. So yeah, guys, this has been a CP Company duffel coat with watch viewer, with goggles, and with collar. I mean, what more do you want, guys? Yeah, thanks as always for watching. Let me know your thoughts on this. Please leave your comments down below. Hit me up, guys. This has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit. That I've been your host, P5 aka CP Company, and this has been Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zien, guys, stay dope, stay fly, keep smashing it, and I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Love, peace.